Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about, did the United States secretly help hundreds of oil tankers passes through the Strait of Hormuz without Iran knowing? The former US President Donald Trump says yes, but many experts say the full story is more difficult. So what is really happened? Let's explain in simple words. What is the Strait of Hormuz? The Strait of Hormuz is one of the world's most important waterway. It is a narrow sea route between Iran and Oman. Around the one-fifth of all world supply normally passes through the Strait of Hormuz. If this route is blocked, oil prices can rise quickly, affecting countries around the world. What did Trump claim? Trump said the US military carried out a secret mission to help oil tankers travel safely through the Strait of Hormuz. According to him, more than 200 commercial ships passes through the area carrying over 100 million barrels of oil to global market. He claimed that many ships switched off their tracking system and moved quietly to avoid detection. Is there evidence? This is where thinking become interesting. Experts from maritime intelligence company Lloyd List said there is evidence that some ships traveled in what is called dark mode. This means their tracking signals were turned off. Reports suggest the US survival aircraft and drones may have helped monitor safe route for some vessels. However, there is no public proof confirming Trump's exact number of 200 ships and 100 million barrels of oil. What did US officials say? US Energy Secretary Chris Wright said he was not aware of the huge operation described by Trump, but he also admitted that the US military had helped improve the movement of some oil shipment through the Strait of Hormuz. This means there may have been some assistance, but the scale of the mission remains unclear. Why does this matter? The Strait of Hormuz is critical for the global economy. Even small disruption can increase oil prices and create uncertainty in energy market. If the US really helped keep oil flowing, it may have prevented a bigger energy crisis. But until more official details are released, many questions remain unanswered. So, did the US carry out a secret mission? The answer is possibility, but not exactly as claimed. Evidence suggests that some comfort spot for oil shipment may have happened. However, Trump's dramatic claims have not been fully verified by independent officials. As always, the truth lies somewhere between politics, military strategy, and the fact that eventually come to light. What do you think? What do you think? Why was this brilliant secret operation or an